Ordering of numbers. These fruits are arranged from the smallest to the biggest in size. We can also arrange numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Consider the numbers 25, 12, 9, 43. 9, 12, 25, 43. 9 is the smallest of all. 12 is bigger than 9. 25 is bigger than 12. 43 is the biggest of all. 9, 12, 25 and 43 are arranged from smallest to biggest. Arranging numbers from smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Let's see one more example on ascending order. Arrange 31, 42, 18, 27 in ascending order. Answer: 18, 27, 31, 42. These animals are arranged from the biggest to the smallest in size. We can also arrange numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Consider the numbers 17, 5, 29, 52. 52, 29, 17, 5. 52 is the biggest of all. 29 is smaller than 52. 17 is smaller than 29. 5 is the smallest of all. 52, 29, 17 and 5 are arranged from biggest to smallest. Arranging numbers from biggest to smallest is called descending order. Let's see one more example on descending order. Arrange 72, 54, 12, 80 in descending order. Answer: 80, 72, 54, 12. Let's recall. Numbers arranged from the biggest to the smallest are said to be in descending order. Number arranged from the smallest to the biggest are said to be in ascending order.